Hey guys, welcome to the Max Invest YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of Chainlink price analysis. We're going to be comparing Chainlink's price to the price of Ether and seeing which asset has been best performing over both the long term and the short term. Now, on this channel, we don't do that many price videos. The reason for this is because at the end of the day, the main reason that these cryptocurrencies will rise over the long term is because of fundamental analysis. However, it is important to take a look at the price history and see how these cryptocurrencies have performed in the past, as it can give a little bit of an indication as to the rate of adoption of cryptos and how they're going to go into the future. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, join the Discord, the links are down below in the description, and remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. So let's jump into the video. Now, the first thing that I do want to say is Chainlink has taken a little bit of a hit with the recent dip. As you can see, a couple of the cryptocurrencies are down about 5% on the day. Ether's down a little bit, Bitcoin's down a little bit, and the market's looking a little bit bearish once again. Chainlink has been hit pretty hard and it's down around 7%. I do believe this is because just before Chainlink went down, it had a pretty big rise up. So, as we can see, Chainlink has dropped down to rank 15 on CoinMarketCap, and I really do believe that Chainlink is a top 10 cryptocurrency, probably even a top 5 cryptocurrency in the near term. So it is a bit disappointing to see Chainlink drop below a few cryptocurrencies like Terra, Avalanche, Dogecoin, and I do think that it should be above all of these cryptos. Even though Chainlink hasn't been able to keep up with the rest of the market in the short term, it is clear that Chainlink has done very well over the long term. If we look at Chainlink's bottom, Chainlink is all the way up about 22,000% from its lows. So Chainlink is essentially up a lot higher than most of the cryptos since market cycle bottom, and over the long term, Chainlink tends to perform very well. As you can see, there are periods where Chainlink just trades sideways, Chainlink doesn't do too much. However, there's also periods where Chainlink goes parabolic. In the short term, Chainlink's had a bit of a period where it's underperforming the rest of the market to a certain extent, maybe performing around average with the rest of the market. Now, I do believe if you look at the long term of Chainlink, it does continue to appreciate over time, and I do think that this is going to continue into the future. Now, in this video, I mainly wanted to talk about Chainlink against Ethereum. Now, the reason that I like to look against Chainlink versus Ethereum is because I do like to use Ethereum as a base, because most of my portfolio is in Ethereum. I want to see if some of these cryptocurrencies can actually outperform Ethereum, and it will be interesting to see if Chainlink can do this. Of course, Chainlink has performed quite poorly against Ethereum in the short term. Ever since August of 2020, Chainlink has gone down a fair bit against Ethereum. It's fallen roughly 84% against Ethereum since 1 year ago. Now, this isn't that good price action. However, I would suggest that this is recency bias. 1 year in macroeconomic markets is actually a short period of time. And if we look at Chainlink since, let's say, July of 2018, when Chainlink was at its lows against Ethereum, Chainlink remains to be up 2,000% against Ethereum. Over the long term, Chainlink has actually outperformed Ethereum. It's just over the short term, Chainlink hasn't done too well. So I would suggest that a lot of this is a little bit of recency bias with Chainlink against Ethereum. And if you look at the long term, it is doing quite well against it. Now, another thing that I'm sure a lot of you can see on the charts is that it does look like Chainlink is approaching a bottom right now. Now, all the way over here, I speculated that this was probably going to be the bottom against Ethereum. However, Chainlink did proceed to drop another 40% against Ethereum, and I was wrong in this scenario. However, it does seem that we are testing a key level of support. We can see all the way back in October of 2019, we were at these same levels, and it does look like we've once again dropped to these levels. We're sort of flattening out. Chainlink's not dropping against Ethereum anymore, and it does look like it's about to test the bull market support band. We're really testing that bull market support band, and if we can get a decisive breakout, Chainlink will probably go parabolic against Ethereum, in my opinion. Now, on this channel, I have speculated that Chainlink should be worth roughly 1/10 of what Ethereum is worth by market capitalization. capitalization. I really do believe that since Ethereum is roughly a $400 billion market cap, that Chainlink should be a $40 billion market capitalization. Chainlink is roughly a $12.5 billion market cap, and I do believe it has a long way to go. The reason I believe this is because I do believe that Oracle networks like Chainlink provide a suite of services to the layer 1, and the layer 1 does essentially depend on these services. Of course, in this case, the layer 1 is Ethereum and the Oracle network is Chainlink. Now, it does look like we are approaching a bottom right now. We can see that we're hanging around this exact same area for an extended period of time. And we can also see that a couple of years ago, back in October of 2019, we also used this area as support. We bounced right off this area. So I will be very interested to see if Chainlink can use this as support and then break to the upside. It will be interesting to see, and I think it can do it. I really am hoping that this is the bottom for Chainlink against Ethereum, as I do believe that Chainlink is very undervalued right now. I believe it's a very good asset, a must-hold for crypto portfolios, and even against Ethereum, Chainlink has trended up over time. Even if we can't get those short-term gains, even if Chainlink continues to hang around in the short term, I do believe that over the long term it will appreciate with time. Another important ratio to check out is the Chainlink Bitcoin ratio. Now, Chainlink has dropped nowhere near as much against Bitcoin as it has against Ethereum, and the reason for this is because Bitcoin hasn't performed as well as Ethereum. However, Chainlink has still somewhat dropped against Bitcoin, and it does look like we're seeing a bit of a descending triangle with a potential breakout to the upside. Chainlink is above the bull market support band against Bitcoin, and it looks like it could possibly break out. However, we will need to just wait and see what happens. Anyway, this brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, join the Discord, and thanks for watching the video.